Food, banana smoothie for kids by Tea Leaves Green. This recipe comes from the first cookbook I ever had, a children's cookbook. Mo's name was long been lost. This is still my favorite recipe for banana smoothie. It's incredibly easy, tasty, and deliciously healthy. Don't let the nutrition facts fool you. This recipe is nice and sweet. The riper your banana, the sweeter it will be. If you really have a sweet tooth, you could add sugar, but never bother the vanilla and banana. Make it sugary enough. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup of milk, half teaspoon of vanilla, 1 to 3 ice cubes. Directions: take out the older blender and pour in a cup of milk. Peel the banana, break it in half, and add it to the blender. Add half teaspoon vanilla and the ice cubes. Blend for about 20 seconds. Now open it and pour it into a cup. If you have an umbrella, you could put it inside. This is how you read the recipe. I hope you enjoy this drink.